everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set app lock for TextMe. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, simply open your TextMe application. Tap on profile icon on the bottom right corner. Now scroll down. Now onto the settings section, tap on security. Tap on the switch icon. Enter a security code. Re-enter your code. And this is how you can set app lock for TextMe. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.